Hi, this is Michael Shin with eVolve Electrical, and today I'm going to walk you through the new enhancements to the Remove Elements command for eVolve Electrical 5.0 that is now available. With 4.0 and 4.2, we introduced quick tools, and one of the commands on here was Remove Elements. Remove Elements is a great tool, allows you to click onto multiple different elements. In this case, this element here, I want to connect to that element, and anything between those elements gets removed. I'll do that again, remove elements. Let's say I want this stub 90 to talk to this offset, and I'll move that one over, or vice versa. Let's do that one more time. I'll say remove elements, move this element to that element, and anything between those elements then gets removed, and it's now connected. Well, in this scenario here, I've got two offsets that I want to be moved or adjusted. That's where we see there's a little asterisk. Whenever you see an asterisk, that means there's a shift option. So if I hold down shift, that enables a multiple option. So now we can say, all right, I want these offsets here, click finish, to connect to these multiple stub 90s in that scenario there. I'll do that one more time. We'll zoom a little bit closer in. Hold down shift, Windows select what do you want to move, click finish. Where do you want to move to? In this case, to these stub 90s, click finish, and it now moves those over, and it's all nice and connected. Another feature of this command is it makes it really easy to now remove couplings along a run. So if I hold down shift, I can window select these straight sections of conduit, click finish, and I'll grab this section of conduit down here, click finish. It's then going to recognize any elements between those two, stretch and connect those together. Let's do that one more time. We'll say remove elements, hold down shift. I'll window select this group over here, click finish, window select this group down here. Notice that what it's doing is it's not letting me grab these bends. The tool is actually recognizing what I originally selected, so therefore I can only select things that are part of that initial selected run. Click that group here, click finish. It now removes all the couplings along that run. So those are the enhancements that we have for eVolve 5.0 with remove elements located under the Quick Tools ribbon group.